Hello, beautiful gardeners. Let's start today with a bit of inspiration. Philippians 4 verse 13 tells us, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." And as the famous quote goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow ginger indoors, right in your kitchen. It's easier than you think and incredibly rewarding. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. First things first, you need to get your hands on some fresh ginger root. Look for plump pieces with tight skin and ideally some little buds or eyes forming. These are signs of fresh, viable ginger. Once you've got your ginger, it's time to prepare it for planting. Cut the root into smaller pieces, making sure each piece has at least 1 or 2 eyes. These eyes are where the new shoots will sprout. Now, let's talk about the soil. Ginger loves rich, well-draining soil. A good mix of potting soil with compost is ideal. Fill your pot about 2/3 full with this soil mix. Next, place the ginger pieces on top of the soil with the eyes facing up. Cover them lightly with more soil, just about 1 inch or so. Give them a good watering, but be careful not to overdo it. Ginger likes it moist, not soaked. Place your pot in a warm, sunny spot. Ginger thrives in indirect sunlight. A spot near a window with filtered light is perfect. Make sure the temperature stays between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Patience is key here. In a few weeks, you'll see shoots emerging from the soil. Water the ginger regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. As it grows, you can feed it with a liquid fertilizer every few weeks. In about 8 to 10 months, your ginger will be ready to harvest. You'll know it's time when the leaves start to yellow and die back. Simply dig up the roots and voila! Fresh, homegrown ginger, right from your kitchen. And that's it. You've now got all the steps to grow your own ginger indoors. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and celebrate every little sprout and leaf. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting, and may your ginger thrive.